Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 93 here on season number 2. And today, we try coconut cookies. What do you think about these? Do you think that they look good? Yummy?
There's a butterfly.
That's a butterfly, you're right. At first look, they kind of look like a macaroon. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Do you think that we should tell them about them first or maybe try them?
Try them first.
Let's go ahead and open it then. This is actually the peanut butter flavor. Do you like peanut butter?
Yeah, I eat peanut butter.
All right, and you get that smell of coconut in there. And it looks like we got some melting going on with ours and then sliding down, but it's fine. They've been out in the garage probably for like 2 weeks already.
Actually, I think that was not mine.
Okay, which one do you want?
That one.
Okay, and which one's for Mom? 3, 2, 1, go. You like them?
Yeah, they're good.
They're actually pretty good. They are not really, I guess, like a cookie, but they are really good, like a cookie. Texture is not like that chewy cookie. If like a cookie was made out of flour, it's definitely not in this cookie, but it's still really good, huh?
A little heart is a big heart. Yeah, whales big hearts are a little heart.
Whales have big hearts?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, a little heart is a big heart. Boom, 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 boom.
Boom, boom.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
That was so good.
Daddy, they find my glass. It's over there.
No, the finding my glass?
Yeah, it's a green. It's a
Magnifying glass. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a treasure.
A treasure? Did you find one?
It's white.
Jay, I don't think that you really like that because you haven't took any more bites except for one. These are vegan, USDA organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and actually the cookie contains no cane sugar. It actually is only sweetened with agave nectar and coconut sugar.
Daddy?
Yes.
Actually, that hurt my elbow.
Oh, sorry.
That short microphone is hurting my elbow.
It's crazy because this coconut peanut butter cookie is basically coconut and peanut butter, and that's it. The cookies come in 5 other flavors. They come in chocolate chip, dark cacao, raspberry, lemon, and then obviously just your standard vanilla. Wow, you're trying to investigate me, huh? Basically, they were co-founded by Ian and his girlfriend, I assume maybe now wife, but they started off in Ian's mother's kitchen, and actually they still occupy the kitchen. And I'm sure that, they pay their mom or his mom in some form or another, maybe just with showering them with tons of these delicious cookies.
I cannot see them.
We gotta know, Jacob, is this a buy or maybe is it a trash?
Buy.
What?
These are buy cause they're not have you doing trash.
Even though they retail for maybe $2.50 a packet.
Yeah, cause they're food cause you have to not throw them in trash.
Oh, don't throw them in the trash.
Yeah, cause they're food.
Oh, cause of food. So nothing on here is gonna get thrown in the trash then.
Unless
it tastes pretty gross.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you buy them and you won't get free gross.
So they're a buy.
Yeah.
Well, folks, it's a buy.
It's a buy!
Let's go ahead and jump into the question of the day real quick, which is, oh my goodness, you just put that in your mouth. So the question of the day is, what's the weirdest thing about modern life that people just accept as, normal? Do you want to go ahead and tell them? Because, yeah, they want to know.
Jojo and Nick are knocking on the people.
Okay, all right. Quit tattling, telling. Okay, we gotta get to the question of the day, which is, what is something weird about modern life that people just accept as normal?
Albie is not listening to the teachers. Here's Jojo and Nick.
Okay, all right.
Look at this.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
Daddy, look at that case.
I know, the case.
Yeah.
Go ahead and leave it right there. If you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business Etsy coaching. Post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out our Keto Reese's Cup. Check out this video right here. And as always, do it like this. Thank you. Do it like that. Ready?
Thank you.
Ready? Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.